Good morning, friends. Today is 30th July. Meta is coming with the earnings with Microsoft and Humana and some other big companies, Qualcomm, ADP. Today also there is a Fed meeting and we will hear the interest rate cut. Let's see. Last time we posted something about Meta was January 28th. And yes, there was a little bit some other updates as well after that, but the major trend was set from us was uh, January 20th of 2025. We were looking 730, which came that was based purely on this channel as we see it, and the trend we had going on for a long time. So same thing I will cover a little bit over here, the waves over here. I do follow the Elliott waves. What we see over here, this wave, if you see it from 2015 to 2023, 2022, that was wave one. From the downward slope is wave two, correction happened. And if we see based on that, the Elliott wave, that wave three, which could be a massive wave, the projection is saying it's not ended. We should be looking the massive wave, but how are we going to approach it? That I have to dissect. So based on that, as of right now, we are looking somewhere around 847 to 770 to 993. Let's dissect. This is our weekly meta. Let's see. On this one, I just wanted to show you one more thing before I go on the counts. This is I wanted to show you the breakout of when it happens successfully. So this was 300 bucks round recovery, and then another 300 bucks added over here. So that's beautiful over here to see that. And this correction, what we had seen was somewhere around 740 to 470. That's almost calling 270 280 correction. So it's good to see the buyers step in over here. It was a strong stock. Buyers are holding it, so there is upward momentum going on it. So based on the same scenario, if we see the breakout happening, we might be heading towards 993, and that is confluencing with our Elliott wave Fibonacci target as well. So that's our meta. Earlier, I wanted to show you something. This is where we could fail as well. Not a big fail, but we might see the correction. This is my A. This is could be B, and if this C happens, we might be looking somewhere around 630. If it's a still strong rally, or we might go back and test some 500. But that scenario is very less. That we will talk only if we are breaking 630. So this is my top one, top two, if the failure scenario is going to happen. And if you see that these are the downwards channel that has created over recently. If the news comes wrong, 630, 680 is right there, and something worse that market doesn't like it, future guidance or anything, then it could swing back to 630. 680, we are not buying it, but 630 is a good price to enter it. And there is a gap, we might dip to the gap and we might bounce it over here. So that's how we should be trading. Meta is 700, the nearest target 770, which we are not that interested. 840 and 993 that we are looking in Meta, and supports are 680, 630. 630 to me invites the buying. The reason over here is if you see the risk reward profile is still favoring in Meta. Meta is spending massive on AI. If they may continue the tone of that, we will see the run up happening in the market for Meta. The only reason to start projecting the downward scenario was this delta. Delta is you're buying or selling for that particular week. If you see that last 5 weeks or 6 weeks, we have seen continuously selling 364k, 121. So if you add this all up, it's coming 1.2 million on a selling side in last 5 weeks. That's not a good sign. Otherwise, normally buying was somewhere around the range of 300 400 weekly. This one was one coming down. So let me show you the chart as well. So if you see, those are the two red candles, which is two red over here, but there was a buying interest over here. Buying pressure went down when it was going up because there was a massive green candle over here, this one, and the green candle. So still, if you see 680 still, where something goes wrong, this green candle on a weekly basis, this will invite the buyers or value investor. And we have first two, 27th and very first June, 27th May and June first week, a strong buying happens, so that could provide the support at 630. And based on if I start projecting that as well, it's giving me 635 somewhere run up on the correction on the negative side. If the reason is that I have to start picturing the negative scenario is that there was a company back in India, CDSL, which is one of the best company as well. It had the exact same pattern over here, double top it had created. It was sloping downward. We didn't see that what if the earnings are bad, and then it got punished, that stock. So it could happen here, but the chances are less. Only reason delta is continuously negative for 5 weeks. Sometimes I do feel that some percentage in the market knows, and we might see that happening before the real event comes. So let's see. Stay happy and happy investing. If you like the content, please subscribe. The channel is Elliott Wave Accounts. hit the like button, or we have the same channel on WhatsApp. Thank you, and we will see how Meta and Microsoft doing later on. Most probably it's going to be on the upward sides. Thank you, and have a good day.